Okay, in this chapter there's one more thing that we're going to talk about that is related to the transitive, intransitive verbs that we introduced in the last video. Let's take a look. 本を読んでいます。本を読んでいます。So this te imasu form is something we've been talking about since 1020. So it means they are reading books, right? But how about this? エアコンがついています。エアコンがついています。This is the te imasu form, but it's a little bit different than the version of te imasu that we've been looking at in the past. So let's take a look at how this works. So when we have transitive verbs plus te iru, the meaning is something that is in progress, an action that we're doing. But when we have intransitive verbs plus te iru, this is that resultant state. So it's something that we touched on briefly back in 1020 when we talked about, for example, 結婚しています or 住んでいます. So you're in a state and then you remain in that state for the future. So you get married and then you are married. You move into a place and then you live in that place. You get hired and then you work somewhere. This te imasu is used in the same way. So let's take a look at the intransitive verbs plus te imasu. So if I want to say that the light is on, what can I say? 電気がついています. What if I want to say that the light is off? 電気が消えています. How about that the window is closed? 窓が閉まっています. Or the window is open? 窓が開いています. Okay, so why don't you take a look at the activities below, practicing using these intransitive verbs plus te imasu.